In this video, I'm showing you how to create a block in Autocad. So a block is when you group together multiple objects so they act as one object. So what you can do is type in block in the command, click on the first one, give it a name, something basic like this. So a pick point is the point in which you pick and move it about, and then click this to select the objects in which you want the block to consist of. Press enter after you have your blocks. You can change the units, block behavior, click create block, and that will create the block for you. These are all grouped together and we can move them around as if they're in a group. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.